I can do everything at the board. So my transitions are really, really smooth and really short. And it used to be, I'd have to, like, if I had something on my screen, I'd have to walk back to my desktop, and they were positioned in this really weird way where, like, you couldn't see the screen and you'd be like, am I on that? Am I, and I was always feeling like clunky and awkward. And like, that's something you never want to be in front of high school students, clunky and awkward, because then, they've got you. Right. And as soon as you have like a transition that lasts longer than like 10 seconds, you lose them. Right. You got to get them back on track. But if that happens over and over in your class, you're losing like instructional time. And so one of the things that I really like is, like, I feel like, and this is just my personal teaching style, I think that if I'm in front of the room, all right, I'm not like off to the side, I'm not trying to do something else. If I'm in front of the room, like, I can keep their attention better. And so that's the biggest thing for me, is being up in front, being with the board, being able to toggle back and forth between what I'm doing, having those seamless transitions.